Hello everyone, welcome back to yet again another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be fitting some Honeycomb / STRS grills on my Mark 2.5 Ford Focus Zetec S. So yeah, let's get into the video. By the way, in case you're wondering this, it's just because I've got the work t-shirt on. You know, I'm not showing you where I work, go the hell away. So we're taking the front grill off because we've got the Honeycomb one. You need to remove this screw here, that one here, to replace this, and then you need the 4 along here to have access to this panel. And oh my god, these are the hardest clips I've ever tried taking off a car ever. You have to get under it, raise up the screw so you can get a flathead in there, then unscrew it and then you can pop it out. Oh my god, they're so hard. I keep getting my hands caught inside the bumper and it just hurts, man, it's well hard. So what I'm doing is I'm lifting it up with a flathead like this. Then I've got a pipe clamp here, shaped like that, and I kind of get it underneath like that, and then I unscrew it, and then get the flathead in between the nut and the washer and the screw, and then it comes out. So we'll get to a point just like this where there's only just barely a little crack so you can get it with a flathead, and you need to get in and push it. Now all these are out, I know it's very windy so you might not be able to wear it, but you can see how they're all different sizes and you can tell they've all been shagged. But anyway, clip there, that should just pull out, bosh. Now we need to get to down here and remove the lock. So it's clipped in here, you just need to kind of push them pins out, outwards like that. This whole surround should pull outwards towards the car, towards the windscreen. These are on the outside of the bumper. You need to loosen them up and then it should come out. This is the lock. Yeah. Right, now that's off, you need to get your badge out by unscrewing this, I think. I'm not 100% sure, we're about to find out. So I was right, you undo the screw here and the spring goes outwards, and then the badge comes out the front. It's easy. I've ordered a new badge, but I'm too eager to wait for it to come to put it on, so I'm doing it now. This is the new grill compared to the old one. It's a massive upgrade. It's all pretty much exactly what I did in reverse. First things first, we need to get the Ford badge on. Whoa! So now it's on. It doesn't fit as low as the old one did. Actually fits a little bit higher. And it doesn't actually cover the badge properly. You have to kind of push it out and push it back in. Hopefully the new one fixes this. This one's doesn't actually fit perfectly. So far we got this all on. It looks all sweet. The old one came down to here though, so there's like a big mucky mark here all the way around. This one's a little bit smaller. It looks great. I'm actually really happy with it, to be honest with you. But the wind is so bad, you've probably heard it through the whole video, that I'm just going to leave this until tomorrow. This part, because it's getting late. I have this part to do, I have these parts to do, either side. And I can't find the clips for it, so ideally I need to get it up on the ramps to get underneath and get that panel off, because I don't want to do it right now. So it's probably tomorrow job. But this one looks mint, man. So I moved the car around. Yeah, looks amazing. But also, I'm having another issue with this. So it only goes to there. I also put this in upside down, so I need to redo that tomorrow. But this also only goes to here. When you pull it back down, it's catching here. Because it's on the spring, it pulls out and it kind of should go back in. But yeah, it's a little bit dodgy. I'll fix that again tomorrow.
The next day.
So, we're back at it again. But today, we have new badges. I've already put one on the back, but we have the front one to do as well. Putting the front one on today, I'll show you the back one. Looking pretty sweet. But putting this front one on today, so we've got to take it all back apart again. But fortunately, it's all a little bit easier because I've already loosened everything up from yesterday, making everything
squashed and whatnot, so it's all a little bit easier. And I wanted to show you the trick I've been using to get these out. It's actually quite a good trick. What I've been doing, right, is if you just kind of lift that up with a flathead and you have some sort of tool like this. I mean, to be fair, you could probably use the flathead, but I found this to be a lot easier. You just kind of hook it underneath like that, pop it out, bosh, easy, just like that. You might even be able to just get in with just this tool. No, maybe not. Oh well, these are all undone. You pop this off here, pop that off there. There was actually already undone, to be honest with you. I must have not put them on tight enough. And then this just kind of pops out the way, I think. Should do, anyway. I can't get it. There you go, just like that. And then now this just kind of pulls off. Bob that out of the way. It pulls off from under here. Let me get it, because you need to undo this as well. I'll show you how you do that. Pop them in, and you pop them out. You pop them outwards like that, and bosh. This is clipped in somewhere else. Down there. Bosh. Undo that. There you go. Easy.
So I have a full replacement for this. You just undo this screw here. This is literally the only part of it. Undo that screw and then it all just comes apart. Just like that. This is the screw that I just undid. And then it pops out this spring. And there you go. Brand new badge. Put it on. Mine actually came with a complete replacement spring and the screw. So I'm actually going to put that in. I may as well while I've got it. The screw goes into this thing. And that goes into that little hole there. And it tightens it up. And yeah. Got this back on now. It's time to put it all back together. Let me get this on first. It's just started raining, so I'm going to be quick. And there we go. Just doing everything in reverse. Putting all the nuts back in. Gave it a little polish as well. We've got the black tarp badge with the black tarp grill. The next moving on to these and these when it stops raining and tomorrow. I didn't bother running through this one because it's literally just like a stick-on plastic plate. Also now with this new badge, I can finally open it the whole way and it closes, which it never did before. I managed to get the lock back in the right position and it works how it should. Brilliant. Now I just need to do here, here and here. And I also have this one coming, but I ordered it over a month ago and it's still not here. So I wonder.
The next day.
So this one, we literally just ragged it off and it came off. This one's put straight back on it right there. Oh, this were a nightmare to get off. I just literally ragged the absolute fuck out of it. Broke some other clips, but I don't care because I've been at it for hours and hours. And then the new one, it literally just popped in within about 30 seconds. Don't do what anyone tells you. Taking the bumper off, don't do any of that. Don't take the headlights out like I did. Made a right mess of it. Just rag the fucking life out of it and it will come off. As you can see right here, I broke the clips, but who cares? You're not using this anymore, are you? Who cares? So this is it all on now. All fully done. If I missed a few bits out, because I was fucking moaning and it rad. But yeah, thinking of putting a ZS here, kind of like an RS, and I need to figure out how to get rid of this scratch, and I'm not too sure what to do with it. Plate might be a bit dodgy, but it looks fine. And yeah, bash. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Honeycomb grills. I think they look great, to be honest with you. I will leave a link in the description if you want to go buy them for yourself. They are from undergroundcarparts.com. Let me know what you think of it and what you want to see in more videos, what you want to see in the future. And if you want to see any project cars or anything like that along them lines, let me know in the comments. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.